In the quiet, starlit night of New Zealand, a spectacular and puzzling event unfolded, leaving witnesses in awe and wonder. An intriguing video captured a UFO resembling a luminous, sun-like orb lighting up the darkened heavens with an otherworldly glow. This breathtaking encounter has sparked intrigue and curiosity, igniting discussions about the existence of extraterrestrial life and the mysteries that lie beyond our planet. The mesmerizing video, shot on a clear night in Nova Zelandia, showcases a breathtaking celestial spectacle that defies explanation. The footage opens with a tranquil view of the night sky, with twinkling stars providing the only source of illumination. Suddenly, a radiant orb of light materializes, casting an ethereal radiance that paints the surroundings in an eerie, sun-kissed glow. The UFO appears to hover gracefully, illuminating the night like a celestial body of its own. Witnesses who were fortunate enough to capture this enigmatic phenomenon were left astonished by the orb's uncanny resemblance to the sun. Its luminous aura extended far beyond its core, creating a mesmerizing halo that captivated all who beheld it. The video's protagonist describes the experience as nothing short of extraordinary and expressed a mix of excitement and trepidation at the sight of this celestial enigma. As the UFO continued to hover, its luminosity pulsated, giving it an almost sentient quality. It's worth noting that this mysterious phenomenon occurred in an isolated area far from any major city, ensuring minimal light pollution and making the sighting all the more remarkable. The sky served as the perfect canvas for this celestial performance, allowing onlookers to bask in the glow of the inexplicable orb. Experts and UFO enthusiasts alike have weighed in on the video, offering a variety of theories to explain this remarkable phenomenon. Skeptics have suggested that it could be a drone or remote-controlled object, while others believe it may be a natural celestial occurrence such as ball lightning. However, none of these theories seem to fully account for the UFO's sun-like appearance and the mesmerizing aura it exuded. One theory gaining traction among UFO enthusiasts is the possibility of extraterrestrial involvement. They point to the uncanny resemblance of the glowing orb to the sun, a celestial body revered in various ancient cultures as a symbol of divinity and cosmic energy. Could this UFO be a vessel from another world, attempting to communicate or make its presence known to humanity? While such claims remain speculative, they add an element of mystery and intrigue to the already captivating video. The Nova Zelandia UFO sighting is just one of many documented encounters around the world, and it serves as a reminder that the universe is vast and teeming with mysteries yet to be unraveled. Whether these sightings can be attributed to natural phenomena, advanced human technology, or something beyond our comprehension, they continue to fuel the human imagination and inspire us to explore the unknown. As the video of this mesmerizing UFO encounter continues to circulate online, it has garnered the attention of a global audience eager to unravel its secrets. Viewers from around the world have chimed in with their own theories and speculations, creating a vibrant online community dedicated to investigating the unexplained. This shared fascination with the UFO phenomenon transcends borders and cultures, highlighting humanity's innate curiosity about the mysteries of the cosmos. In the spirit of discovery and exploration, we invite you to join our channel for more intriguing content like this. By subscribing, you'll stay updated on the latest developments in the world of UFO sightings, unexplained phenomena, and the mysteries of the universe. Your support allows us to continue bringing you captivating stories that challenge our understanding of the world and beyond. In conclusion, the Nova Zelandia UFO sighting, featuring a glowing sun-like orb illuminating the night sky, remains a captivating enigma that defies easy explanation. Whether you're a skeptic, a UFO enthusiast, or simply someone intrigued by the mysteries of the universe, this video serves as a compelling reminder of the countless wonders that await discovery beyond our planet. As we continue to explore and document such inexplicable encounters, we invite you to be a part of our community by liking, subscribing, and joining the ongoing conversation about the unexplained. Together, we can unlock the secrets of the cosmos and unravel the mysteries of our existence.